Today we're going to show you how to install a seal. Go ahead and take a slip solution of some sort, soapy water, tire lubricant, apply that around. Also, apply a little to the seal. Start at where the hose comes in, and I like to rock it back and forth and use my thumbs to do it. We are also going to be starting to offer a seal install tool, so that'll help you install it as well. Every once in a while you might have to push a little back on the seal so it doesn't keep going in one direction, and then go ahead and use the tool to push it into the groove. If you notice a little bit bunching up on the side here, again, just give it a little push back. And then we also have this side. If you have a spot that's being stubborn, you can go ahead and use that side to go around it and check it. Now you can install the slider. I like to get a bolt started right here and then work the slider around the seal. Starting them by hand. That way I can get them all in. Sometimes you have to use a little something to pry to help work your way around it, as that seal tries to push out on that slider. And after you have them all started, you can go ahead and run them in. And then you just want to make sure that all the screws are sitting below the slider. You can go and take this new tool too and slide around it just to verify that nothing's catching. And that's how you install a seal in our new cover.